Hey everybody, Gisele Grenier here. So we're getting into the holiday season, and like I do every year, I really want to make my own stuff. I don't want to go to the store and spend, $110 on a wreath for my door. I can make it myself. Now, have you ever been to go shopping for, home decor stuff and you think, I can make that, I can make that, I can make that? You do, right? Yeah, I'm no different. And what it comes down to in the end is time, the amount of time it's going to take, because we all have a price tag on our time as well. So if it takes you 5 hours to make something and you equate to what you value yourself, not value yourself, but value your time in money, sometimes it's worth just buying it at the store just for the sake of saving time. Not this year. All right, so one of the things that you gotta do is pick your color theme. So I'm a big silver person. Silver and black. I love silver and black. I love the deep blues, even the emeralds. But I have a new addiction, rose gold. And if you've been seeing my videos lately, you know rose gold's my jam. This year's going to be no different. So every year, of course, I get so excited when I see the Canadian Tire Christmas flyer. I'm going to show it to you because I use this a lot to inspire my holiday colors. So let's just flip. And I'll get my coffee out of the way. Depending on where you are in the world, what you have, look for magazines. Pinterest is nice, but Pinterest, a lot of the stuff is professionally styled. And it's different seeing it on a computer versus in a magazine, because then you can actually take the magazine with you, or you can take your phone with you and then just kind of go shopping to see stuff. So I'm looking here, and this stuff is not my style anymore because kids are grown up and moved out, and I see the grandkids maybe once or twice a year. So not for me. Not saying it's wrong, it's just not for me. So as I go through, this kind of looks nice. Again, it goes back to the cool whites and silvers. I'm going to skip the next page because that's my surprise. This is what I really like. So they've got everything themed. So you've got your golds and your blues and silvers and reds. And when I look at this, the first thing I go to is silver, because I love the look of silver. It's cold, it's elegant, it's modern. I love it. Whereas the gold, the gold can be also elegant, but it could be vintage. It could be rustic. You throw in, put the gold to a bit more of the red. You've got the bronze. So you got to pick a color scheme for this, and a nice color scheme too for holidays is white with some shine. And that's pretty simple. So, I go through the flyer. I think that's it. Yeah. And to look for my color inspiration. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, shine. So there we go. I'm kind of liking that. I still prefer the silver though, but I'm really liking the rose gold. And luckily, I have DecoArt's got some metallic finishes in rose gold, the wax metallic in rose gold. So that's, I'm really happy with that. So I'm thinking rose gold would be nice for a color scheme for myself. The unfortunate thing is it's very feminine. Joe's not impressed. He wants me to do this. So what do you do if you have one color scheme and your partner has another color scheme? You merge them together. It's as simple as that. Because silver and rose gold, although one's cold and one's warm, you can slightly intermingle the two together to make them work. So although rose gold is going to be my thing, silver is my favorite. So just choose your color theme by looking for inspiration. Whatever your eye gravitates to, go with that. One really great way, and it doesn't even have to be just for the holidays, you go to Pinterest, you set up a board called a mood board, and then you just leave the board. And as you go through Pinterest, maybe take half an hour or so. And don't even search for stuff, but just scroll and look. Anything that you like, pin it to your mood board. And after about a week or so, you go to your mood board and you're going to see a theme. You're going to see patterns and stuff that's, a consistent look to it. And I did that when I was choosing my branding colors for Art Place, and turquoise, teal and turquoise, which were colors I originally couldn't stand. But I'm gravitated to that. So use Pinterest to your advantage when creating your color themes. Just pin stuff that you like the look of. It doesn't have to be the style, it's the look, the colors and stuff like that. So do that. get your color scheme, and then join me in the next video where we're going to create a mixed media holiday wreath. And I'm going to give some alternatives so you don't have to go out and spend a ton of money on supplies. Work with what you have in-house, and I'm going to show some alternatives to getting this done. Alrighty, so I hope you found this informative. Get your color scheme and join me in the next video. Until then, stay inspired.